Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about the differences between your mechanical, your NXT, and your NXT2 timers. Hey everyone, it's Kevin from Crystal Quest. When buying your control head, you might get asked the question, what kind of interface would you like? Whether you want an analog, an NXT, or an NXT2. What's the difference between these, and why would you pick one over the other? Let's get into it, starting with your analog. We also call it a pin set timer. We call it this because you set the backwash time based on these pins on your back dial. Each one of these pins represents 2 minutes, and if you want to change your backwash time, you'd either have to manually add or remove one of these pins from the back dial. Also, if you want to change what time your system goes through a backwash, you'll have to manually change that on this front interface. This is a good option if you're looking for something a little more cost effective, but it might not be as simple to set up as one of our digital timers might be. Now let's look at our NXT. With our NXT, we have expanded capabilities compared to our analog timer. With this, we have the option to hook up a flow meter if we want to regenerate based on a gallon capacity. We have the option to hook it to building management systems or PLCs. And we also have a lot more visibility inside of the system, like system status and remaining capacities. Your NXT is a good option if you're looking for versatility and a simple display. Lastly, let's talk about our NXT2. Our NXT2 can do everything that our NXT can do, like alternating systems and having a standby tank. But with your NXT2, you also get more advanced communication. So you can also have things like parallel flow sharing and better staging and smoother regeneration transitions, and so on. Every option you go up with your interface will gain you more control over your settings, your control head, and your system as a whole. At a bit of a higher price point, this is a good option for someone who's trying to get the most out of their system when it comes to efficiency and control. If you want to know more about each of these interfaces, keep an eye out for their individual videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, call us, or visit our website at crystalquest.com. Thank you.